Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a new project in VS Code. So first you open the application and then you are going to click here on File, and here you are going to create Open Folder. You click here and then you choose where do you want to select that folder. For example, for me here, so you are going to right click in the white space and you just choose New and you click on Folder. You name it whatever that you want, for example project 2, project 1. Then you select that new folder that you have created. You click here, select, and here as you can see we have our folder. You just click here on a new file, then you can name it here, for example home.html. You click enter and that's it. As you can see, we have our new project created and with all the files, and whenever you create a new file it will be automatically saved in that project file. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.